Hey, what's up guys? I'm Blake with U-Haul. It's almost into my work week and I can't wait to go for a road ride. If that's something that interests you, U-Haul is gonna get you there with a Thule T2 Pro XT bike rack. Here's some of its features. This model is only compatible with 2-inch receivers. I'm gonna show you how to get it installed. First, you'll open the pin, lift the rack, and place it into the hitch receiver. Once you slide it back, you can just go ahead and close the pin and it'll auto-locate, securing that into place front to back. You'll notice the rack has a little bit of wobble, so you'll just tighten this anti-wobble knob until it gets nice and snug. A lot of times I actually take a little pressure off of it by lifting it until it gets nice and snug down. No more wobble. Thule also provides keys, so that way you can lock it into place. Now nobody's gonna be able to take your rack. As you can see, I've installed the rack in its stowed position, perfect for whenever you're in tight parking spaces or just driving around without your bikes. To go ahead and use the rack, there's a nice little lever here. You'll go ahead and place your palm here and pull the lever out, and you can lower the rack into its position for whenever you want to have your bikes installed. If you need to access your tailgate, pull that same lever and you'll be able to lower it, which will give you that access again. This is a 2-bike rack. Each tray can hold 60 pounds or a total of 120 pounds. Thule also provides an extension where you can add 2 bikes onto this rack, so it becomes a 4-bike rack. Each wheel cradle can accommodate up to a 5-inch fat tire bike, a mountain bike tire, or even a skinny road bike tire. In addition to accommodating multiple tire widths, we can accommodate multiple tire sizes with this ratcheting wheel hook. It also features a rubber coating to hold onto the tire and will accommodate anything from a 29-inch wheel down to a 20-inch wheel. The rear wheel cradle is also adjustable to accommodate multiple frame sizes. If you're only carrying a single bike, I always opt to keep it in the closest position of the vehicle. It just offers it a bit more protection. Additionally, if you have multiple bikes, I put the heaviest one at the back. It's just easier to load and unload it. We're gonna go and install my bike. We'll start by opening the wheel hook and extending it to its furthest position. And then we'll go ahead and open the wheel ratchet strap. We're gonna go ahead and install the bike, placing the front wheel into the cradle and then the rear wheel into the rear cradle. Going ahead and just locking that ratchet strap and then securing the front wheel. You'll want to leave about 1 inch between the frame and the wheel hook so you don't end up rubbing anything important. Once the front wheel is nice and secure, you can go ahead and ratchet this down, making sure that the wheel protector is in place. Don't over tighten it though, you might break something. Thule also provides a cable lock. I feed the lock through the frame, through the front wheel, and then secure it back to itself, locking it with the provided key. One of the great things about this bike rack is it's adjustable into multiple positions. If you've got bikes on it, no problem. You can still access your cargo area. Just pull this lever back here, tilt it downwards, and now you have access to your tailgate, your back latch, whatever you have on your car. As you can see, you can get in there no problem. When you're done, just grab it right wherever that latch was to release it, lift it back up and it'll lock into place. As you can see, the Thule T2 Pro XT is a winning bike rack. I can't wait to use it this weekend. I hope you can do the same. See you guys later. Thanks for joining.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.